The White Duckling's Journey. In a cozy nest near a quiet pond, Mama Duck watched proudly as her eggs began to hatch. One by one, fluffy yellow ducklings emerged, chirping happily. But when the last egg cracked open, a pure white duckling stepped out, her feathers shining like fresh snow. Papa Duck frowned. Why is she so different? She doesn't look like the others. Mama Duck, though hesitant, replied softly, I don't know. Maybe there was a mistake. The yellow ducklings gathered around their white sibling, whispering and giggling. You don't look like us, they said. You're not part of our family. The white duckling, named Snow, felt her heart sink. Her parents argued often. She's not ours, Papa Duck insisted. She can't stay. Unable to bear the rejection, Snow decided to leave the only home she had ever known to find a family that would truly accept her. Moral: true family isn't about appearances. It's about love and acceptance. Snow wandered far from the pond and came across a group of sparrows chirping in a tree. Can I join your family? She asked hopefully. The sparrows looked down at her and laughed. You're far too big to be one of us. You'd never fit in our nest. Everywhere she went, Snow was rejected. The sadness in her heart grew heavier, but she didn't stop searching. Moral: persistence in the face of rejection builds strength and courage. One day, Snow met a family of wood ducks swimming near a fallen tree. They were colorful and kind, and she asked, Can I be part of your family? The wood ducks looked at her sympathetically. You're lovely, but you're not like us, they said gently. You belong somewhere else. Feeling lonelier than ever, Snow sat by the edge of the water and cried, Why am I so different? Where do I belong? As her tears rippled in the pond, Snow suddenly heard soft splashes. She looked up to see a group of ducks with feathers as white as hers gliding gracefully across the water. One of them noticed her and swam closer. You're one of us, they said, smiling warmly. We've been looking for you. Snow's heart leaped with joy. You mean, I have a real family? She asked. Yes, they replied. You were separated from us, but now you're home. Snow joined her family, finally feeling the love and belonging she had longed for. She swam proudly alongside them, her sadness replaced by happiness. Moral: everyone has a place where they truly belong, and sometimes it takes patience and perseverance to find it. Snow returned to visit the pond where she was born. Though her first family hadn't accepted her, she no longer felt hurt. She realized her journey had taught her strength and self-worth. Her story became a reminder that being different is not a flaw, but a gift waiting to shine. Overall moral: true happiness comes from finding those who love and accept you for who you are. Never lose hope in your search for belonging.